we saw big news in there, obviously, and the levels that are supposed to hold as support, such as the 20-day moving average, did not. In fact, that's where we broke support right here, and I was thinking that if it could get back above this level, then this might have been a failed move that could lead to a faster move higher. I was not a buyer with the declining 5-day moving average, so I didn't have to live through yesterday's grief caused by the little Twitter war that's going on. Anyways, the levels of interest yesterday were, one, we take a look at the year-to-date low and this recovery high in the pullback. These are levels we consider as we pull back. We looked at the 38.2% retracement, which is also the anchor off of this low, as a potential level where the buyers might be So that was 309. What happened at 309? This is 309. There was zero evidence that the buyers were gaining control there yesterday. So let's back it up. What was our next level of interest? Our next level of interest was the 50% retracement. That was also the anchor off the April 7th low and the 50-day moving average. That level was 293. Was there any evidence that 293 was a place where the buyers were to be found? No, this is yesterday's VWAP, the green one. We were still showing a very clear pattern of lower highs and lower lows coming into that. Now, we made a little bottom reversal, and that bottom, when we see that, once it starts to rally, we put an anchor off that low. And now this afternoon, just today, late today, we tested that. So if this is going to hold as a low, this is its first test. You want to see it hold above today's low, basically, on this pullback. If it can make that, then perhaps we can start to see a bigger bounce up towards that 5-day moving average. So it could be a quick, powerful bounce, and I think your risk is limited underneath today's low, and it's going to be volatile in here. So that's the key consideration for a stock like Tesla.